Hello, children. I am a den. I am a home for wild animals. Lions and bears rest inside me.
Hi friends, I am a pen. You use me to write beautiful letters and words. Hello everyone, we are men. We work hard and help our families and community.
Hi, kids.
I am number 10.
I come after 9.
Cluck cluck. I am a hen. I lay eggs and live on a farm.
Hello. I am yen. I am money used in some countries. Hi, my name is Ben. I am a happy boy.
Hey friends, I am Ken. Nice to meet you.
Hello, I am Jen. I love to read and play. Welcome back, children. Today we are going to learn the N family words. When we add a letter before N, we get new words. For example, D plus EN is den, P plus EN is pen. Now let's read all the words together. Den, pen, men, ten, hen, yen, ben, jen, ken. Very good, children.
Hello, children. I am number 11. 1 and 1 together make number 11.
Welcome back, children. Today we will learn about number 11. This is number 11. 1 and 1 together make number 11. 11 number spelling is E-L-E-V-E-N, 11. It comes after 10 and before 12. Let's count the pictures and learn this number together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yes, there are 11 cupcakes. Very good, children.
Hello, friends. I am a pet. I am a friendly animal. I love to play with you. Hi, kids. I am a net. I help catch fish or balls.
Hi children. Get means when you receive something, you get it. You get gifts and smiles. Zoom, zoom.
I am a jet. I fly fast in the sky.
Hello. When you see someone for the first time, you met them.
Hello. A set means a group of things together, like a set of colors. Set of pencils.
Hello everyone, I am a vet. I take care of sick animals.
Oh no! Splash! I am wet. When water touches you, you become wet.
Welcome back, children. Today we are going to learn the et family words. When we add a letter before et, we get new words. For example, P plus et is pet, G plus et is get. Now let's read all the words together. Pet, get, set, wet, net, jet, met, wet, let. Very good, children.
Hello, children. I am number 61. 6 and 1 together make number 61. Hello, children. I am number 62. 6 and 2 together make number 62.
Welcome back, children. Today we will learn about number 61 and 62. This is number 61 and 62. 6 and 1 together make number 61. The spelling of number 61 is S-I-X-T-Y-O-N-E, 61. 6 and 2 together make number 62. The spelling of number 62 is S-I-X-T-Y-T-W-O, 62. Now children, you count them one by one slowly and properly. Yes, there are a total of 61 fans and 62 diamonds. Very good, children.
Hello, friends. Welcome to my school. I am so happy to show you my school today. This is my school building. It is big and beautiful. I come here every day to learn new things. Look at the name board. It says school. The name board tells us the name of the place. This is a school bus. The school bus brings children safely from home to school and back home. In school, we learn new things every day. We study, sing, draw, and make many friends. So, children, school helps us grow and become good human beings.
Welcome back, children. Today we will learn about a school. Look at this picture carefully. This is a school building. A school is a place where children come to learn. We read, write, draw, sing, and play in school. Now look at the top of the building. This is the name board. It says school. The name board tells us the name of the place. Now look down here. This is a school bus. The school bus brings children from home to school. It is yellow in color. It takes children home safely after school. Children, school is a very important place. We must love our school. We must keep our school clean and neat. Say with me, I love my school. Great job, children.
Hello, children. I am number 12. 1 and 2 together make number 12.
Welcome back, children. Today we will learn about number 12. This is number 12. 1 and 2 together make number 12. The spelling of number 12 is TWELVE, 12. It comes after 11 and before 13. Let's count the pictures and learn this number together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, there are 12 mangoes. Very good, children. See you.
Hello, friends. Welcome to my school. This is my favorite place, a playground. Look over there. That is the slide. Here is the seesaw. Up and down, up and down. It's so much fun with friends.
These are the swings.
We swing high in the sky like birds. That round one is the merry-go-round. We sit and spin round and round. See the sandpit? We make sandcastles and play together.
And there children are playing hopscotch on the ground. Jump, hop and balance. We also play with balls on the grass.
Welcome back, children. Today we are going to learn about our school playground. Look at this picture carefully. This is our playground. It is a place where children play and have fun. Can you see the slide? Children climb up the ladder and slide down. Here is the seesaw. One child goes up and the other comes down. These are the swings. Children sit on them and swing back and forth. Look at the merry-go-round. It goes round and round. Can you find the sandpit? Children play with sand and make sand castles there. And here is hopscotch. Children hop and jump on the boxes drawn on the ground. Some children are also playing with a ball on the grass. The playground helps us stay healthy, strong, and happy. We must play safely and take turns. I hope you understood the different things we see inside a playground.
Hello, children. I am number 63. 6 and 3 together make number 63. Hello, children. I am number 64. 6 and 4 together make number 64.
Welcome back, children. Today we will learn about number 63 and 64. This is number 63 and 64. 6 and 3 together make number 63. The spelling of number 63 is SIXTYTHREE, 63. 6 and 4 together make number 64. The spelling of number 64 is SIXTYFOUR, 64. Now children, you count them one by one slowly and properly. Yes, there are a total of 63 flowers and 64 slippers. Very good, children.
Hi everyone. Beg means
When you ask for something politely, you beg.
hello. Seg means it is a short form of segment, which means a part of something.
Hello, children. I'm a girl. My name is Meg. Hello, children. Peg helps you to hang your clothes on a rope. Hello, I'm a leg. I help you walk, run, and jump. Hi, friends. I am an egg. I come from a hen and you can eat me.
Hi friends, I am a keg. I am a small barrel used to store drinks. Welcome back, children. Today we are going to learn the egg family words. When we add a letter before egg, we get new words. For example, P plus egg is peg, L plus egg is leg. Now let's read all the words together. Peg, egg, leg, beg, meg, keg, seg. Very good, children.